What's the meaning of automatism? Automatism. Automatism.
Automatism. Automatism. Automatism refers to the state of performing actions unconsciously, without conscious thought or control. In this state, a person's movements are automatic and may be triggered by external stimuli or internal mental processes. This phenomenon can occur during activities such as driving, walking, or even typing on a keyboard. The result is that the individual's behavior becomes automatic, without requiring conscious effort or decision-making. While automatism can be useful in certain situations, such as when engaging in repetitive tasks, it can also pose risks if it occurs during complex and potentially dangerous activities.